Good morning, children. In the last 6 videos, we have elaborately learnt about the topic development. This video is the final video for this chapter. In this video, we will learn about a new topic called sustainability of development. When we set a goal, we need to work on this till we achieve it. For this, we need to go through many difficulties and processes. When we are focused on a goal, that will lead us to development. When we change our goals and aspirations, there is no sustainability of development in our life. Hence, you may be questioning yourself, what is the sustainability of development? Here I am going to explain it. Listen carefully and write the notes in your copy. In the last video, we learnt why public facilities are very important for development. We also learned how to measure BMI, body mass index, because it is very important to know our health status. Finally, for development in any country or state, it is people, their health, their well-being that is most important. इसलिए मैंने आपको BMI कैसे मेजर करना है आपको सिखाया था लास्ट वीडियो में, क्योंकि फॉर डेवलपमेंट इन एनी कंट्री और स्टेट इट इज़ पीपल, देयर हेल्थ, देयर वेल-बीइंग that is most important. So we need to keep well. We need to be healthy because we are the source of development. There are so many aspects that should be considered in measuring human development. But few of the aspects we have learnt, like income, other criterias, per capita income, etc. There are certain other aspects also that should be considered in measuring human development. What are that measurements? It is sustainable development. When we speak about development, that should remain for generation to generation. जब एक कंपनी कोई भी चीज़ की आविष्कार करती है तो फ्यूचर को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाती है, और हम एक चीज़ से और उस कंपनी एक चीज़ से बहुत सारे नए नए प्रोडक्ट बनाने की कोशिश करती है. एक बार अगर कंपनी फेमस हो जाती है तो वो नया नया प्रोडक्ट अपने फ्यूचर यूज़ के लिए लाती है, और मार्केट में फेमस जब होता है तब सस्टेनेबिलिटी पर ध्यान देती है, क्योंकि उस कंपनी का डेवलपमेंट पर ये सस्टेनेबिलिटी और ये जो आविष्कार करती है ये कंपनी उस पर और जो वैल्यू है उस पर भी निर्भर रहता है. That means whenever we do anything new in our life, that should help and should be useful for future generations, and we should also use that conservatively. So, what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future, which means sustainable development tries to fulfill the needs of the people in the present time without compromising or without making any problem for the future generations, without questioning their abilities. और उनके नीड के लिए, उनके नीड के अनुसार आज हमें चीज़ों को बचा के रखना है. Sustainable development is important for economic growth because environment must be conserved while development is taking place. Development जब होता है तब हमें अपने environmental को कंसर्व करना पड़ता है. Resources must be used in such a way that something is conserved for future generations. हम रिसोर्स को एक्सेस में यूज़ करते हैं. हम रिसोर्स पर ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. जो रिसोर्स हमारे देश में मिलता है उस रिसोर्स पर हम ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. सस्टेनेबिलिटी नहीं रखते हैं. हम उसको बचा के रखने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं. क्यों नहीं करते हैं? क्योंकि आज हमारी नीड है और इस नीड को फुलफ़िल करने के लिए हम सेल्फिश हो जाते हैं और उस सेल्फिश का वजह हमने फ्यूचर जनरेशन को भूल जाते हैं. वी फॉरगेट द फ्यूचर जनरेशन विदाउट knowing their abilities. So, resource must be used in such a way that something is conserved for future generations. The standard of living of all people must be raised up. ये नहीं है कि आज आपको अच्छे से जीना है और भविष्य में जो लोग जिएंगे, हमारे बच्चे और अपने पूर्वज, अपने लोग जो भी आगे फ्यूचर में आएंगे, उनके लिए कोई चीज़ बचा के नहीं रखना. वो चीज़ क्या है हमारे ज़िंदगी में नहीं होना चाहिए. We should always conserve, we should always preserve whatever things that are available, whatever resource that are available in our country, in our lives. So with the example, I am going to explain how to sustain, how to keep things or resource for future use. Let us take the example of groundwater. Groundwater is renewable. These resources are replenished, refilled by nature. When rain occurs, groundwater increases. Once groundwater increases, we start making use of this groundwater in excess. We don't bother about the availability of water. We only bother about our use, our need. This resource is overused. Renewable resource are overused. Why? Because we think that we can get it once again. When we overuse, we deplenish the resource. जब हम ओवरयूज़, कोई भी रिसोर्स को ओवरयूज़ करते हैं तब हम बर्बाद करते हैं. जब हम बर्बाद करते हैं तब हम किसी चीज़ को भी सोचते नहीं है. वी डोंट थिंक ऑफ द फ्यूचर, वी जस्ट थिंक ऑफ आवर नीड टुडे. द अदर example is a non-renewable resource that is available in the nature. For example, let us take the example of crude oil. Once it is burnt, once again it is not obtained. So, how are we making use of this resource? Are we preserving, conservatively using this resource which is non-renewable, which cannot be regained once again? it is exhausted. It will get exhausted after years of use. जब हम ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, यूज़ करने कुछ साल के बाद ये डिसअपियर हो जाएंगे, कुछ साल के बाद ये ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेंगे, तब क्या करेंगे? हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स क्या करेंगे? सो सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज़ वेरी वेरी important in development. We have a fixed stock on earth which cannot be replenished. Non-renewable resources are a fixed stock on earth which cannot be replenished, which cannot be refilled. Once it is burnt, it is gone. In the same way, in our country, when we develop something that should remain, that means we should always keep in mind about the progress of the future generation, progress of our country, progress of our life, progress of the society, and the progress of the world. That's very important. ये रिन्यूएबल सोर्स है, हमारे देश में सब कुछ मिलता है, इसलिए हमें बर्बाद करना है, ये सोच गलत है. ये डेवलपमेंटल गोल्स नहीं है, ये डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. डेवलपमेंट मतलब ये रिसोर्स है विच विल गेट एक्सॉस्टेड आफ्टर ईयर्स ऑफ यूज़, इसलिए इसको बचा के रखना है. डेवलपमेंट शुड बी सस्टेन्ड सो दैट the future generation may get used. They may get use of it. That is why it is very very important to sustain the development, the progress. So we have already learned that in the first video, if you remember, I have put a sentence. The way we live today is influenced by the past. We cannot desire for change without being aware of it. The way we live today is influenced by the past. आज हमारे लिए इस तरह का रिसोर्सेस, ये सारे रिन्यूएबल एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल है, इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द पास्ट जनरेशन. क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए सोचे थे कि हमें हमारे लाइफ को ध्यान में रखते हुए वो यूज़ करते थे, और जितना वो बचा के रखते थे वो चीज़ आज काम में हम ले रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वाई द वे वी लिव टुडे इज़ इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द पास्ट. वी कैनॉट डिज़ायर फॉर चेंज विदाउट बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ दिस. द अदर सेंटेंस इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 14 in a box under the topic sustainability of development. We have not inherited the world from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. We have not inherited. इसका मतलब हमने दुनिया को अपने पूर्वजों से विरासत के रूप में प्राप्त नहीं किया, बल्कि हमने अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है. देखिए, हमने अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है. अपने बच्चे कौन हैं? भविष्य है, भविष्य में आने वाले बच्चे हैं. जब हम उधार लेते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए? हमें लौटाना चाहिए. जब हम लौटाएंगे, जब हमारे पास कुछ होगा तभी हम लौटा सकते हैं. तो ये ध्यान में रखिए कि हमने उधार लिया है. नाउ रिसोर्स जो अवेलेबल है, जो भी चीज़ आज अवेलेबल है, जो भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, वो सारे हमने अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है. जो भविष्य है, जो भविष्य में आने वाले हैं, उनसे उधार लिया है. जब हमने उधार लिया है तो उसको लौटाना पड़ेगा. इसलिए जो रिसोर्स अवेलेबल या उपलब्ध है उसे सही तरीके से उपयोग करें ताकि हम अपने बच्चों का उधार लौटा सकें. It's very important. It's very important sentence that you should learn, because many times this sentence is given to justify. So you can simply elaborate on this sentence. क्योंकि हमने दुनिया को अपने पूर्वजों से विरासत के रूप में प्राप्त नहीं किया है, बल्कि हमने अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है। हमें हमेशा अपने भविष्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए जो भी रिसोर्स अवेलेबल है उसको प्रयोग करना चाहिए। Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state development. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state development. Our future is linked together. Our future is linked together. Suppose for the present that a particular country is quite developed, कि मानो कि कोई देश डेवलप हो चुका है, वी वुड सर्टेनली लाइक दिस लेवल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। क्यों? बिकॉज वी थिंक एटलीस्ट इट शुड बी मेंटेन्ड फॉर फ्यूचर जनरेशंस। दिस इज ऑब्वियसली डिजायरेबल। Sustainability of development is comparatively a new area of knowledge in which scientists, economists, philosophers, and other social scientists are working together. In general, development or progress is perennial, which means it is ongoing. There is no end for this development. When we do not care, it will low our life. When we do not care about this development, it will low our life. When we care this development and sustain it, it will lead us to the height. At all time, as a member of a society and as individuals, we need to have constant check that where we want to go, what we wish to become, and what our goals are. Hence, we need newer ways of looking at development using indicators of quality of life and environmental sustainability along with income and other criteria. So that means income alone is not enough, but other criteria also very important for our sustainability, for the development, for country's development, for states development, for our world's development. So just to summarize that, we have learned about different desires of the people, and we have also learned about the income and other criterias. Then when we learned about income and other criterias, we focused on the income, and income is the main source for development. Then we also studied about the national development. In that I taught you how to decide and per capita income, and the average income also we have learned, which is called per capita income. I have taught you how to calculate average income and to know the developmental goals of the countries and how a country or a state is developing. Then we came to the next topic, income and other criteria. In income and other criteria, we compared different states like Maharashtra, Kerala, and Bihar based on the per capita income for 2012 and 13 in rupees we have compared. Then again I explained about table 1.4, which shows income alone is not enough to know the development of the country, but the other criterias, other aspects also very important, like infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio, public facilities, etc. So then we have learned about public facilities which are most important for our development, like having good health. Under that we have learned about the calculation of BMI, because BMI is very important to know about our health status, because people are the source of development. If we don't have good health, we may not think of our country's development or our society's development. Then the last topic today, I have taught you about sustainability of development, how to sustain the development. Once development happens means that should be kept up. That should not be uh, thought the other way. दैट मीन्स हमने डेवलप कर दिया तो बहुत सारे पैसा हमारे हाथ में आ गया, हम बहुत अच्छा डेवलपमेंट कर दिया, तो उस चीज़ में उछलना नहीं चाहिए. हमें क्या करना चाहिए, उस चीज़ को, उस डेवलपमेंट को सस्टेन करना चाहिए, और सस्टेन करके हम अपने फ्यूचर जनरेशन को देखते हुए उस डेवलपमेंट को हमें हमेशा बचा के रखना चाहिए, हमेशा हमें सस्टेन रखना चाहिए, ताकि फ्यूचर जनरेशन अपना नाम लेके अच्छे से जी पाए. तो हमने एक सेंटेंस पढ़ा है, अच्छे से क्या है, हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन सुना है, दैट इज़ वी हैव नॉट इनहेरिटेड द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम आवर फोर फादर्स, वी हैव borrowed it from our children. So always remember this sentence, learn this sentence by heart, and whatever resource is available in our country, in our surrounding, make use of the resources properly, so that we may able to sustain the development and the developmental goals in our life and in our country, so that we may become a part of development in our countries and country's development. So thank you, and do the works, or write all the notes in your copy, and I will be asking within 2 days or 3 days. Next week I will be asking you to send the notes to me. So I will be sending the assignments in the next video. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.